wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambis come back with a hit and smashing a banger. You already know what time it is from the from the title. See what we're dealing with. We're back in the music lab with Silk Bass. Drop a new song, a new video earlier this week. I think it was yesterday, entitled Drama. I want to check it out and see what I go on. You don't know Silk Bass, very talented, very dope artist. Yeah man, when I see what I go on, Silk Bass, Drama. Yeah, but before we jump in the chat, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, turn on post notification bell. Likes really help with the YouTube algorithm and helps my channel grow, so I really appreciate it. It's free. Hit that like button. Yeah man, Silk Bass back at it again after a drama, a little bit of drama, back at it again with a new song and video. And yeah, that's funny. Back after a little bit of drama, is back with a new song and video entitled Drama. That's crazy. Yeah man, Silk Bass Drama. Let's get it.
Ice Queen Records. Relationship full of happiness and laughter.
Whoa. Easy.
Yo, Bree. People go always pretend real though. Ice Queen Records.
Yo, I hope you know you do still another. You drop all your song on the Ice Queen Records. That means say I Bree up with all. Hopefully, yo, the girl have a back in you. You know, I make you win a Silk Bass. Yeah, Zimmy, make sure you get your proper cut or whatever, you know, because kind of, hey, but do you think so?
Relationship full of happiness and laughter. Darkness and drama, sometimes me stress out. Me have to job for your water. Gone back in my mind, I pre-dark like me darkers. Got the time I get harder, mankind corrupt full of drama. So me rather stay alone with me girl in my heart. And then after my brain, me remember karma. And
yeah man, hey, shit man, say sometime feel like stay alone with me girl in your back with man them, hey. No access still there, just make sure you got a real fear, you see me? But yeah man, Silk Bass very talented. You say dog flow and everything just mad on the track man. Come on, very talented youth, you know. More thing while going to man turn and hold him back like that, but it, you're in delivering it. You're man just the delivering the approach and everything on the beat just blend well.
anytime I touch the road, me have the hammer.
Oh shit, I ain't even see that coming, boy. Everybody, hey.
That's fake friend, I hurt man feelings.
I
That's no reason.
do jam on you not about all man.
Sorry, me nah no hard. Cause me nah go post for no media. I up like 3 bits. Sorry, me nah no hard. Sorry, me nah no hard. Sorry, me nah no hard. So anytime I touch the road, me I carry it on alleviate. Be home like the motherfucking bag them pan.
Watch out, dog, and him be Bree. Our machine and thing to how I go on.
Sweetie Bree say silk, if I go kill him, just go kill him and do it neatly. Matter about him, I kill her and go follow girl go pee-pee. Yeah, upon him.
That's how my killer and fall like I go pee. I watch your whole life.
Bluff is screechy. Cause the same man will tell me shoulda hurt me and him same man end up a drink. The rifle I go beat. I mean no care which party I go. I coulda in a chest or in a ear teeth. Couple more I go leave.
Rifle I go beat. I mean not care if I in a chest or marrow rifle. Hey, yeah man.
Feel me for the jeep I race out like the car them more in a need for speed. Them man talk so me shoulda do it. Chop off him and dash him off for the precipice. Cause sorry me nah no hard. Cause fake friend I hurt man feelings dark for no reason. Sorry me nah no hard. Cause me nah go post for no media.
Yo, that song dog chopping thing man, doing thing man.
Up like 3 bits. Sorry me nah no hard. Sorry me nah no hard. Sorry me nah no hard.
Easy no Silk Bass.
Me know say me skin light, but me heart inna the dark. And every time me love me, I me and the devil man I talk me side the boy inna the yard.
I know me skin light, but me heart inna the dark. I want to the brother, yo, hey.
Jelly splashing at the grass, me run a surgery for myself. Cause them a try to break me fast. Yeah, me send a prayer to the Lord. I smoke me weed and drink me rum with rifle in up on the wall. Yeah, this my brother, then I war a couple shot and make you blacker than the tire upon the top. Yeah. Dark never fidget, dark them ever cool like ice when I frigid. Style and no gimmicks. From me here man squeeze something like a hard ball when I kick it, dog. Smarty gone miss it. Mommy day a funeral, I'll go pass somebody and I kiss it there.
Easy. What kind of thing that, dog? Why? Why for the one the row?
People not really again though.
Chop off the dog, chop off the dog.
In our last party, man end up dead. No plan for dead, you know. Rifle shot in the head. Sorry, man, no heart. I shake when I read my feelings, dark in the reason. Sorry, man, no heart.
I'm saying don't plan for dead like Avatar. Eh?
Now go post on the media, yeah, like TV. Sorry, man, no heart. Sorry, man, no heart. Sorry, man, no heart. Relationship full of happiness and laughter. Darkness and drama, sometimes it stress out me. I put
Relation full of happiness and drama. Darkness and hey bro.
dark your water gone back in my mind. I feel dark like my darkness. Got the time I get harder, man. Gone boy, full of drama. Some murder stay alone with my girl in my heart. And enough in my brain, remember karma. Anytime that you hold me, I'll be
Boss. Yard Boys Production. Easy, man. Silk Boss. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man. Young, talented artist like that. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, do your thing, man. Yeah, man. Real dope track. Yeah, man. Delivery and everything was on point.
I am a business.
People, let me know anything about the one day. Yeah, man. Let me know what your favorite part was. Was the beat, melody, you already know, lyrics, artist, whatever it is. Yeah, man. And if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know so that Jambisco send you, and definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, that was Silk Boss Drama. Yeah, man, real dope track, people. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here now. Hit on, smash on a banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.